Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really nice, unbelievable 2-card trick. It's really crazy, it's really true, it's really unbelievable 2-card trick. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, maybe share this video, why not? And now I teach you this card trick. Let's go. Look, I shuffle these cards and now spectator take any cards, maybe this. Alright. Remember these cards, your cards here, and now your cards really send to this pile. And now I shuffle these cards, maybe like this, maybe shuffle like this. Maybe your cards 2 of diamonds, ace of spades, 4 diamonds, no. And now snap my finger and your cards jump top of the deck. 7 of spades, no. Alright, maybe your cards 5, king, no. Alright, look, I take these cards. This is 2 of spades. Your card 2 of spades? No. Alright, look, 7 plus 2. This one card, 7 plus 2, 9. Because your cards, 9 of spades. Alright, for this trick you make a little setup. You take 3 cards. 9 of spades, 7 of spades, and 2 of spades. Alright. The next step you take this 2 of spades, putting her like this. 7 of spades, putting her like this, turn over your deck, take this 9 of spades and putting her like this. It's really easy setup. Alright. And next step you maybe shuffle like this. Of course you control it these cards and these cards. And next step you force it these cards. Spectator stop anytime, maybe here it's really free, squeeze, and of course you force it this 9 of spades. Look. Spectator stop, alright, and now use this finger, slide this 9 of spades like this, and now you squeeze this pile and show it 9 of spades, right? I repeat, stop anytime, maybe here, right? Take these cards, make move it like this, and now this finger takes these cards, and now you make move it like this, and of course squeeze and show it these cards. It's really nice card force, look. Stop, right, it's really free, of course it's 9 of spades. It's really nice. Right, so stop anytime, maybe here, right? Remember this card, this is 9 of spades. And next step, your left hand, make a break, this finger. And now with this pile, drop it your break. Of course you save it your break, because this card spectator. Alright, next step, you make a spread, this pile. You take this pile, your break, and make a spread. And now use this finger, take these cards, because this card spectator, you take these cards, and now you make a card control like this. You take this 9 of spades and cool these cards like this and make a spread and squeeze. Of course, you control it bottom of the deck. I repeat, spectator stop anytime, maybe here, squeeze, remember, drop it to your break, make a spread this pile, take these cards and now you this 9 of spades, cool and squeeze. And now your cards here. Next step you make a shuffle. Alright, next step you make a shuffle. Look, you take this deck, take this pile, because this is your cards, and now your left hand takes this 9 of spades and like this. And next step you take these cards, make a break, and really to shuffle. Of course you save it your break. I repeat, look, your cards here, and now make really shuffle, take this 9 of spades like this, this is 9 of spades, make a break, take one card your break, or really shuffle your break, and now maybe a little pile, maybe take your break, and this pile drop it like this. Okay. And now you stop 9 of spades, 7 of spades, and 2 of spades. Next step, snap your finger and now you turn over 2 cards and show it this is 7 of spades. Of course, this is 2 cards. I repeat, take 2 cards, turn over, this is 7 of spades, your card, no. Turn over and drop it like this. And next step, you maybe any full shuffle. You take this pile, really shuffle, and now this pile, drop it like this. It's really easy. And next step, you take this, make a repeat, turn over 2 cards, this is 2 cards. Make turn over 2 cards, this is 2 of spades, no, turn over, of course this is 9 of spades here. Take these cards like this and now use these cards, make a vanish, because you cover your right hand these cards, and now your left hand make move it like this. I repeat, look at these cards, and now I repeat full speed. It's really nice optical illusion because this is vanish cards. Look, 7 of spades, vanish. It's really nice. Look, 7 of spades, and now 7 plus 2, this is 9. Snap my finger, of course, this 9 of spades. Alright, look, I shuffle these cards, maybe like this, and now I take one random cards. Maybe this 3 of spades. No, this is 4. 3. This is diamonds, clubs, hearts, spades. It's really diamonds, clubs, hearts, spades. It's really true. And now I take, this is diamonds. This diamonds is leader, and now change for queen of spades. This trick, you make a little setup. You take 4 ace and take 4 queen. It's really easy. And now this deck shuffle. Right. So your setup look like this. You take this 4 queen, and now you take 3 queen and turn over face up and putting her like this. And now 1 queen, putting her like this. It's really, really easy. And next step, you take this 4 ace, 1 ace face up, 1 ace face down, and 2 ace face down. It's really easy setup. 3 ace face down, 1 ace face up, 1 queen face down, 3 queen face down. Alright. Next step, you take and make a really any full shuffle. You take this pile, really shuffle. Of course, this pile, drop it like this. It's really unbelievable nice optical illusion full shuffle. Look, take this pile, really shuffle. Now this pile, drop it like this. I repeat and drop it. It's really easy. Of course, you control these cards. So next step, you take this turn over 2 cards. This is ace. Of course, you turn over 2 cards. Turn over 2 cards. This is show this ace, and now your right hand production 2 ace like this. Your left hand production 2 cards like this. And now it's really nice production because and production for ace. Alright, I repeat. Right. I take 1 card, turn over, this is 2 cards, take these 2 cards like this, and now a production like this 4 cards. Next step, take these 4 cards, it's really true, show these 4 cards, and now make a count 4 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, make a break, take ace of spades, ace of hearts, ace of spades like this, ace of diamonds, ace of clubs. It's really 4 ace. This ace putting her like this. And now turn over these 8 cards. I repeat, show this for ace, take 8 cards, because this is for queen, and turn over like this. And next step, use this finger, squeeze these cards and take this pile, alright? And now this deck putting her like this and take this pile. And next step, turn over this ace, and now this pile drop it like this. And now your right hand count 1 cards. And next step, make a break. Right? And now you make a change like this. So this finger squeeze this queen and make a change like this. It's really nice. Look. I repeat. Change and now show it for queen. Of course, this is 2 cards. Show it for queen. Let's continue.